Hi guys, so I'm standing on my front porch and I'm going to show you my front porch and the things, the flowers that are on it. I go get my nails done tomorrow, so before I get my nails done I'm going to go ahead and sand the porch and also paint it black so it will match up the house. So I'm going to show you guys what the porch looks like now before I actually do it. So when you walk up, this is our sidewalk and then you see our porch. You see our house. Our porch doesn't match our house very well. We have the black and then we have the purple door with the black fixtures on the door and the black light fixture. So when you walk right here, I have a big red impatient basket and these bloom so beautifully. They bloom in multiples. They're gorgeous. And then I have this cute little, I don't know what they're called. They're supposed to be good luck. My husband bought this for me maybe a year or two ago when I started my garden. And then I have these beautiful purple wave petunias. I love purple. That's my favorite color. When you walk up, I have this rug that says Home Sweet Home with the buffalo check. And I also have the evergreen plant. I believe that's what it's called. The sweet potato vine over here, some impatiens, and then I forget what these called, but I will link them down in that basket, and I planted all of those myself. And then I have the same stuff on this side, but a wave petunia. Of course my door is purple, and I do have my God Bless America because Memorial Day is Monday. So as you can see, our porch isn't stained or anything, and when we moved in it wasn't stained. My grandmother boyfriend did power wash it and it came out beautiful because at first it was very yucky and green. So I'm going to sweep it and then kind of see what I can go from there. I think I'm going to paint it black because it matches the shutters and I think it will be so much perfect. I'm going to go to Lowe's today and find something to have a seal paint, and I'm going to take you guys along with me. I love how our porch looks. I think it's beautiful. I just love our house. I think the only thing we have to add to the front is like painting the porch, get the lights out here for the sidewalk, and then add a black screen door, and then that's it basically. Hey guys, so I am painting the front porch as I told you guys that I was going to do today. I just decided to go with the coat, what is it called? I think it's called, oh, it's all weather white. So it's like a white, a straight white. And I'm painting the baluster part and then handles. And then tomorrow I'm going to be doing the steps because it'll be easier, and then the top part of the house. But I'm going to show you guys once I'm done this side how the white actually looks on the house once I'm done this baluster, so you can kind of get a view of what it may look like. So yeah. Okay, so remember guys, I told you that I was gonna finish painting our porch the white. So I'm about finished. I have my sister helping me. We had to sweep this top part off once we finish this. This part is kind of more of the tedious part, I believe, versus this part. This is pretty easy. But we're basically, this is how it will look. I'm gonna let my husband move back so he can show you how it will look from afar. I think it looks better than how it originally looked. It looks way better to me. It kind of brings more to the house versus the regular old wood, you know. So yeah, this is kind of what we've been doing. And then once this is done, I'm going to go around the back and also paint the back. That's not much to do. I might do that one tomorrow because it's super easy to do. So yeah, we're just going to take you guys along of us painting, and that's about it. basically finished. I have some touch-ups to do on the top side, and then I have some to do on the bottom. And then we're gonna scrape the remaining paint that's peeling up there. We're gonna scrape that off and paint that the same color as that because that's wood. We have enough in there to do that and do a little bit of touch-ups. But overall, this is how it looks. I really like it. Our screen door or our storm door is going to be a jet black. So I'm thinking it will look really nice with the white trim. And then the jet black door will look really nice. It will stand out. But this is how it looks with everything on the porch. And I love it. Let me see if I can step back a little bit more. I absolutely love it. I can't wait to finish painting the top part. Sorry for my tree. We have a humongous tree and we have to go back and clip some of the branches off because they're hanging. But I can't wait to paint that one and that one. Then I'm thinking about spray painting the numbers completely black so it can stand out a little bit more. But I love how it turned out. If you like these type of videos, please do not forget to subscribe to my channel, hit the bell alert so you will never miss a video, and also do not forget to comment what you'd like to see down below. This was a total DIY. Me and my husband did it ourselves for a little bit of nothing. The only thing really that cost us the most was the paint, and that was $37. And then we got paint brushes that was $12, so totaling at about $60, I believe. It turned out really affordable. It was really great. We had already power washed our porch maybe last year almost, so it didn't need a power wash again. And then the paint that we got was, if you don't know, I'm gonna link it down below, Weather Me All White, and then it was also a stain and sealer, so we don't have to go over anything. Once again, if you like these type of videos, please do not forget to subscribe to my channel, and if you would like to see more DIYs, please let me know in the comment box down below. Bye.